Hello, word lovers. Welcome to Shakespeare Hub, where we explore the beauty of the English language. Whether you're from India, the USA, or anywhere else in the world, today's video is for you. We're diving into 10 advanced English words that Shakespeare himself would adore. These words are not just fancy, they're powerful and perfect for sounding eloquent in any conversation. Let's begin. Our first word is serendipity. It means finding something wonderful by chance. Imagine stumbling upon a hidden gem while exploring a bookstore. For example, "It was pure serendipity that I found my favorite Shakespearean play at the library." Isn't that a magical word? Try using it the next time something lucky happens to you. Next, we have ephemeral, which describes something that lasts for a very short time. Think of the fleeting beauty of a sunset. For example, the ephemeral joy of a summer rain is something we all cherish. What ephemeral moments have you experienced? Share them in the comments. Now, let's talk about quintessential, meaning the perfect example of something. For example, Shakespeare is the quintessential playwright of all time. Who or what do you think is quintessential in your life? Let's discuss. Here's a word Shakespeare would love: pernicious. It means something harmful or destructive. For example, the pernicious effects of gossip can ruin relationships. This is a great word for serious discussions or essays. Let's lighten things up with ebullient, which describes someone full of energy and enthusiasm. For example, her ebullient personality made her the life of the party. Are you an ebullient person? Let me know in the comments. Now, here's a tricky one: obfuscate, meaning to confuse or make something unclear. For example, politicians often obfuscate the truth to avoid answering difficult questions. This is a great word for debates or discussions about communication. Next up, sycophant, a word that describes someone who flatters others to gain favor. For example, "He's such a sycophant, always complimenting the boss to get a promotion." Have you ever met a sycophant? Share your stories below. Here's a word that paints a vivid picture: cacophony, meaning a harsh, unpleasant mixture of sounds. For example, the cacophony of traffic during rush hour was overwhelming. Can you think of a cacophony you've experienced? Let's hear it. Now, let's talk about magnanimous, which describes someone who is generous and forgiving. For example, she was magnanimous in victory, praising her opponent's efforts. Isn't that a noble quality to aspire to? Finally, we have petrichor, the earthy scent that follows rain. For example, the petrichor after the rain brought a sense of calm to the bustling city. Isn't that a beautiful word for a beautiful moment? And there you have it, 10 advanced English words that Shakespeare himself would love. Try using them in your conversations, essays, or even in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shakespeare Hub for more literary adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of words. Farewell.